Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Thursday, January 23rd. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. So today we will be taking a look at the chart of oil. Okay, so oil today extends lower again. Okay, so here is the latest update in the 1 hour. This 45 minutes chart, but it's about the same as the 1 hour. So we can see right here that we are in an impulsive structure to the downside within a C leg. So this entire decline is labeled as an A, B, and then now we are in the C. Now the C in the zigzag, of course, needs to subdivide into 5 waves. So we got this 1 of C, 2 of C. Now we are within a 3 of 3. Right, so this is nesting with a subdivision. So the wave 3 here is extended into another impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then once we finish this, we should be finishing 3 in black with 4 and 5 in black to come to the downside. So if we are looking at the shorter cycle, then that suggests oil should still see for the downside. As long as we stay below 59.7, which is the starting point of this impulsive structure here, then we should be looking for the downside. Now if we take a look at the larger degree, things get quite interesting. So I'm going to go to the daily, and this is only partial label, right, on the daily. So I will put this A and B in the context in the daily chart. So this is our A and B right here. So since we bottom on the December 2018, right, so far we have been able to sort of consolidate. Neither is bullish nor bearish since we bottom on the 2018. Okay, now we got this rising trend line from 2018, and most likely this can continue to go lower and retest this trend line. So in a zigzag like an ABC, it can potentially go to a full 100% extension where the C is equal to the A. Now if you do measure it that way, that will be your sort of your ultimate target, so to speak. Then the ultimate target is going to be 51.3. But then if we go to 51.3, we would have broken below this trend line, right? We would have broken below this trend line. So potentially it could have some sort of bearish implication if it breaks below that trend line. So it really depends because this is a long-term trend line, right? Is 1 year trend line. So it is reasonable to assume that it might be able to provide some sort of support instead of slicing through it easily, right? So that's why the intermediate target then from the downside is the 61.8 extension right here. So which is going to be 54.5, 53.2. So this area will be interesting because if there is any chance that we don't go to a full 100% to the downside, which is 51, then I will be looking at this area here between 53.2, 54 here to provide some sort of support from the downside here in the oil. And then from here there is a potential, for example, that we can start bouncing, or maybe we could have ended this ABC here. So the C leg is going to be truncated, shorter than the A, and then from there it can start to bounce again in 3 ways at least, like this. So watch out for this 53, 54 area for potential bounce area in oil. Now shorter cycle though, shorter cycle we should see for the downside as long as the bounce stays below this one. Now any bounce here in the shorter cycle should continue to find sellers in 3711 swing for more downside until we hit this 53, 54 area at least. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe if you enjoy it. And as always, I will provide the link to our 14 days free trial in the description of the video if you want to check our service. And see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.